Very excited because it's Friday. All right. In my mind, even though I might be working or hiking or have something crazy going on a Friday, in my mind, it's just, I've been a 9 to 5 guy in my head a long time. Is that the glue? Is that the blue collar way? Or do you have glue around your collar? Maybe I do. I don't know. Maybe I can glue this turkey neck that might be coming. Okay. Or just, zip up. There we go. It's winter time right now, so I can wear this little fleecy thing. It's nice, it's soft, and I just cuddle myself because it's Valentine's and I don't even have a Valentine right now. I'm just all by my lonesome. So I guess I'll just get one of my little girl dolls here that are kind of cute, and they'll be my little Valentine made out of plastic. Okay? So, if you're watching me live, you know that Friday is Firestarter Friday. We do our live meetings, noon Eastern. All right, every Friday, the whole company gets together. We talk about facts and figures. All right, we're still cranking in well over 10,000 people signed up this week alone, and that's worldwide. Okay, we're not talking just isolated the West Coast in America or a little patch up in, let's say Canada. Okay, worldwide. It's spread out all over. If you join LiveGood and you want to be an affiliate, just spend that $40. And then $10 a month, that's all you got to spend to be an affiliate. There is no products to buy so that you can rank up to bank up. You don't have to qualify for 3 months. And then you sit there and sell thousands of dollars of products. So the company for the first 3 months pockets all your change. You notice like all the upline people have Ferraris and all these exotic cars, and you look at them, they all look kind of nerdy. There's nothing worse than like a nerd driving a Ferrari because he sold shampoo and conditioner. It's like, way to go, Bob. You sold that shampoo and conditioner. Do you know how to even start that Ferrari? No, I don't. Then get in your minivan. All right. Get your ass down to the store. Your wife just said you're out of milk. That's how it is here in Utah. All right. There are so many network companies based out of here. I'm talking affiliate based, network marketing based, MLM, multi-level marketing based. Oh my God, I don't know any other city that has more, especially down in Lehigh where they filmed the very first Footloose in, about 1983, 84 with Kevin Bacon Bits and all those guys. I mean, in Lehigh, it is just nothing but glass buildings and Adobe, and some of the biggest companies in the world are down there. And there's production companies where all these gurus fly in and they just make all these videos you're going to watch on Instagram, and then the network marketing thing pops up, or the gurus where they give you good advice, okay, on how to do something. Then you get companies like LiveGood that sell products that make you feel good, okay, energy, weight loss, could be diabetes. All right, you guys figure it out. Just go to livegood.com or go to joincory.com. You guys will figure out the products. It's pretty simple, okay? There's my business card. That's what I made. It was like $20. They're on special now at Vistaprint. I think these are $19 for a big old box plus a couple bucks shipping. But you can see how easy I make LiveGood. Joincory.com. There's my email. And you don't even have to, have people contact you in the beginning. If you just want to kind of promote, look, please don't get a hold of me until after you watch the LiveGood video, because the LiveGood video answers a lot of your potential questions. And if you go to livegood.com and go to the FAQ, there's a ton of questions. You just click the line. There's the answer. The comp plan is right there at the bottom. It says affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Guys, just click it. That way you can see a YouTube video, and on your screen, it explains the comp plan, how we get paid on the membership side. All right. Why are we a wholesale company and we kick ass? Because we don't commission the products. We sell them wholesale. All right. We don't have billions and billions of dollars being made on the product sales. That's up to you. So if you want to buy a LiveGood product for $15 and sell it for $30, it's up to you. That retail profit, wholesale to retail, that's in your pocket. That's what you can do if you want. Most companies like LiveGood, there's no way you can do that. You can't have an Amazon store. You can't have a gym. If you're in the back of your trunk selling products, to your neighbor. I mean, gosh, that traditional MLM thing, I don't know how you guys do it, but obviously there's billions being made each month, not just each year, okay? But LiveGood ain't that thing, all right? We got by far the best products, all right? We have the highest, most expensive ingredients, but our products are always 30 to 70% less because we focus on wholesale. How do you get the buying power of Walmart and GNC and all these other monster billion-dollar stores that want to carry Live Good products? You got $10 a month? Because if you do, you get 5 cents back. $9.95 a month, you are buying wholesale. And you can resell or just put those products in your body. Get rocking. Summertime's coming up in a couple months. All right, I'm in the winter time right now. That's why I got kind of a long little fleecy thing on the radio station here. But I can't wait till summer. I want to feel good. I want energy. Live good. Thank you. The products are awesome. I'd buy the products regardless if I was an affiliate or not. But if you have 40, you have those two $20 bills, rub them together for good luck and invest them. Be an affiliate. It's only a one-time fee. Then I'm going to do the best I can to get you to join. And go to joincory.com. I'm going to send you an email, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I do on how I've signed up well over 400 and some people just in Live Good. I have other businesses too, but I'm really good at inviting people to watch a movie. And if you go to joincory.com, I want you to copy me. I want you to get a fun domain name, make a business card, and just throw them out. If somebody ever brings it up on a street level, don't talk about Live Good. Have them watch the video first, because it explains probably 80, if not 90% of everything they need to know. And most people, they want to watch video anyway. And they want to go to the website and check out the products, the ingredients, wholesale, how much is shipping, handling, all that stuff. Let you figure that out. Okay, I'm just going to invite you one more time. And I'm going to show you how I have signed up 400 and something people. I'll have 500 by summer. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. joincory.com. All right, go to GoDaddy. I like them. I paid about $11 for that domain. I paid about $25 for this card to my door. Okay, and then I just forward it to the Live Good capture page, which you're going to have. Okay, so instead of showing you what the capture page looks like, will you just click joincory.com, go through it yourself, watch that video in the middle of the screen, put in your name and email address, click the orange button below. You'll get more info on Live Good, or it's going to send you an email where you can join. See how easy everything is? You're just kind of like point, watch, done. Okay, guys, read, point, click this, watch. All right, that's it. There's nothing left to do. There's customer service, there's shipping, there's handling. All that stuff is handled by Live Good. You're just going to get really good at inviting people to click something, to watch something. You don't need to be a teacher, trainer, okay? Only if you want. And it is fun to teach and train. I do that quite by accident, okay? I'm always pressed for time, but I can't wait to teach and just tell people some certain things that have worked for me, okay? And that's okay. But make Live Good fun, okay? joincory.com. Thanks, guys, for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Cory at corydraper.com. I think you can remember that. That's my email, okay? If I can answer some questions, I was not shy. All right, have a good weekend, guys. We'll see you next video, okay? All right, bye.